Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital balance. Let's tap on start. Okay, we have to configure it, so let me do it quickly. And as you can see, after the whole configuration, we've got this graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. You can see that it is 25 minutes more than yesterday. You can also check the particular time you've spent on the settings, on the apps which are notified in this graph. You can of course tap on this section, and here you will have this dashboard where you can compare the hours of the usage. You can of course pick the last 7 days, so you can compare the time you've spent on the device in particular days. Again, here you've got the list of mostly used apps with the exact time you've spent on them. Of course, if you want to, you can also tap on the app and check the dashboard for particularly and specifically for this app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.